Handling payroll compliance can be a major headache for businesses, but with Deel, you can simplify the entire process. In this quick guide, we'll walk through how Deel helps you manage payroll compliance effortlessly, whether you're managing a global team or hiring contractors. Stick around till the end to learn about a special bonus you won't want to miss. Deel is an all-in-one platform designed to streamline the process of paying employees and contractors across different countries while ensuring compliance with local labor laws. What makes Deel stand out is how it automatically handles the complexity of payroll, taxes, and benefits based on each employee's location. When you sign up for Deel, you're immediately able to handle payroll compliance without worrying about miscalculating tax rates or breaking any local laws. Deel integrates with local regulations to ensure everything is paid correctly, on time, and in the right currency. From managing pay schedules to handling deductions for things like pensions or insurance, Deel makes payroll a breeze. The system also takes care of tax compliance for you, which is one of the trickiest aspects of payroll. Deel automates withholding taxes, ensuring you're deducting the correct amounts based on the local laws of the countries where your employees work. This ensures that you won't face penalties or issues down the road. A major advantage of Deel is its ability to generate tax-compliant payslips automatically, making sure that all your payroll documentation is accurate and in line with legal requirements. Whether you're managing one employee or hundreds, Deel's platform scales to your needs while keeping everything in check. For businesses operating internationally, Deel's global contracts make onboarding employees incredibly easy. Deel creates compliant contracts based on local labor laws, so you don't need to worry about being up to date on the laws of each country your employees are in. From tax regulations to mandatory benefits, Deel has it covered. Now you might be wondering, how do I pay my employees? Deel allows for easy payments in multiple currencies across the globe. Whether you're paying someone in the US, Europe, or Asia, Deel handles all currency conversions and transfers, making it easy to keep your international team paid correctly and on time. Deel doesn't just help you stay compliant with payroll, it also provides support when you need it. The platform offers dedicated account managers to help you navigate more complex compliance issues and ensure your team is paid correctly. With Deel's support team, you're never left to figure things out alone. The platform also supports integration with other tools you might already use for finance and HR management. This means you don't have to worry about having a bunch of disconnected systems. Deel works seamlessly with your existing software to keep everything running smoothly. But the best part? Deel offers an extended free trial with exclusive bonuses through the link below. That means you can explore all these features without any commitment. If you're serious about handling payroll compliance with ease and accuracy, this is the perfect opportunity to get started. So, whether you're managing a small team or a global workforce, Deel is the solution you've been looking for. Remember, check out the first link in the description for your exclusive free trial and special bonuses. You don't want to miss out on this game-changing tool for payroll compliance.